Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last week and how the price of natural gas can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, natural gas is trading at a level of around $2.618. Okay, and now if you look at this particular chart, what we have seen that this is the high of this particular level. Okay, a level of 3 where the price of natural gas is moving since long, a zone of 3 and $2. Okay, and if you look at this particular trend, what this trend is saying, that whenever is hitting its previous high, we have seen a fall has come. Okay, and this fall is quite good. Okay, 10, 15 to even 100% fall we have seen. Okay, and this is after pandemic where the price of natural gas is being so volatile. Now from 2-3 months we have seen that the price is stable in the range, otherwise there is so much of volatility we have seen. Factors affecting was Fed was continuously increasing the rate, war was another situation, and dollar getting the strengthen. That is where the price of natural gas was very much in the fluctuation. Okay, because import and export balance was the differences which created by the war, and that's what the price was moving high and low. Okay, and Fed was continuously increasing, because of which the dollar getting strengthened. Okay, once suppose the price of dollar move up, then the countries who have to pay the price in the dollar, they have to pay more for the same amount natural gas they are importing. Okay, see, now chances are very high. So before we move ahead, and of natural gas can go in the next week, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video to understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I have given in the description, you can join that team. Now look at this particular chart. For this particular week we have seen that natural gas has made a high of around $20754 and a low of around $2.577. Okay, and now it is above a level of strong resistance. Now it is acting as a support, a level of around 2.590. okay, this is acting as a strong support. If you look at this particular chart, this is a U pattern is forming. After that there is a continuous upside, after that again a fall. Okay, so what you can see looking at that, suppose if the price sustain this level, chances are high, yes, it can sustain. Okay, because opposite hammer is forming, so chances are high. Suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it can go towards a level of $2.738. okay, and if the price sustain above that particular level, it can cross that particular zone and can touch a level of around $2.799. okay, once the price sustain above $2.779, then chances of touching a level of $2.911 is there. Okay, and once the price sustain of that level, we can see it can touch a level of around $3.044. Again I repeat, so once the price sustain this level, we can see it can touch a level of $2.79 after crossing this level. Okay, and once it sustain this level, we can see a level of 2.911, and from there we can see it can touch a level of $3.044. okay, so once it started moving above that level, it can cross, and once moving above a level of $3.044, we can see it can go further upside. Okay, so once started moving up that level, we can see it can touch a level of around $3.331, and if the price move above that particular level, we can see it can touch a level of $3.527. okay, and if the price sustain above that level, we can see it can touch a level of $3.946, and from there we can see it can go further high towards a level of $4.14. okay, you have to understand something, that once started moving above a level of $3, then only we can see it can probability of touching all these levels. Okay, but if it is moving below this particular zone, chances of moving in this zone will is on a higher side. Okay, suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, what we can see, it can move towards a level of $2.572, and if the price fall below that particular level, it can come down again towards a level of around $2.408. okay, now if the price fall below that particular level, chances of going further down we can see, and it can touch a level of $2.319, and from there we can see it can fall further down towards a level of $2.225. okay, so once it started falling below that particular level, it can cross that particular zone and can touch a level of $2.078, and that is the low of this particular zone. Okay, after 2.109, after crossing this level, chance of touching 2.109 is there, and from there we can see a level of 2.078. okay, and this is the low of this particular zone. okay, so chances are very high that it will move below this particular zone and can touch a level of $1.923. okay, and from there 1.846. if the price fall below that particular level, it can fall further down towards a level of $1.646, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 1.536. keep that in mind that once started falling below $2, chance of going further down we can see. okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. okay, now understand why most of the traders lose money, because they do not understand when to trade with full capital, when to strategize, or how to strategize. all these things I teach in my workshop. if you want to attend that workshop, mail me regarding that and we can work out on the timings. so hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel,